Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I'm going to share with you my after Christmas Walmart hauls. A lot of this stuff is things that you can use yourself, and then a lot of it is also for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes for next year. Let's dive in. I don't even know where to begin. My whole desk is huge and it's filled. So let's start with wrapping paper. I always look for wrapping paper on the after Christmas specials. So $5.48, it was everything at Walmart was 50% off if it was Christmas. So for $2.75-ish, got this wrapping paper, and it is 80 square feet. It's big and thick, and it is red stripes, so it can be used for any time of year. Valentine's Day, birthdays, you name it. And then I found this one, and I don't know why, but it is red and blue striped, but it was in the Christmas paper, and it's premium gift wrap. Another 80 square feet. So this definitely can be used for birthdays and things. It's just a red and blue plaid. Or it could be used for your decorating for the 4th of July. Next thing I got was some tissue paper, a couple packages at 50 cents each. And some tags. I thought these tags were really cute at 50 cents to use in my presents for next year. So wrapping paper is something I usually always buy in the after Christmas sales, but I try to make it pretty generic so that it can be used all year long. Another thing I like to buy is food products. So this Elf on the Shelf cereal is hot cocoa cereal with marshmallows. It looks pretty good. And they can't keep it in the store, so they sell it for 50% off. So that's a box of cereal for half price. Next, I got this giant box of dog bones. Because the dog food that's wrapped in the special Christmas presents is also 50% off. You can also get sometimes the Hickory Farms cheese and meat things. And I have some more in here somewhere whenever we get around to it. Let me see. Here we go. I got some chocolate pancake and waffle mix. That looks fun. I can have chocolate any time of year. And somewhere around here, there's some sprinkles. Here they are. So I got these sprinkles half off. And so there's blue and white balls, and blue and white of the long ones, and white balls, and just blue and silver stars. So, I mean, these could really be used all year long. Birthday parties, a boy baby shower, and they are going to work. And yeah, they're not really going to go bad. So, you can use them next Christmas. I think that's it for the food. So, let's see. I guess we'll start with some of the Operation Christmas Child stuff. This is my receipt. I will let you know that I spent $79.09. That's with tax, so $73.84 before tax. I got this little game. It's one of those, it's wooden toy, and you pop the ball into the cup, and I believe it was $1.98, so it was $1. I got a couple of yo-yos. This one has a shark on it. There's nothing Christmassy about it even. This one is just a red squirrel. So I thought those were cool, and I've heard a lot of stories lately about kids who received yo-yos in their shoeboxes and how much they liked the yo-yos. So I got a few of the yo-yos. Next, I found this stocking stuffer toy. It's got a bunch of different little things in there. I only got one of these. I had a lot because this is pretty cheap stuff, but it's good to put in as just a little bit of extra filler. There's rings and tops and little slinky things, and I might go back to Walmart once they go down to 90% off and see if they have any more of these. I do want to put high quality toys in my boxes, and these aren't necessarily high quality, but as a little extra filler, they're fine. Okay, so here's the biggie. Stuffies. I found these holiday plush. Normally $3.44. This unicorn does say my first Christmas. This reindeer, isn't he cute? This little unicorn Pegasus doesn't have holiday on it anywhere. It's just going to be really cute for some little kid. Then we have this lion. How cute is he? And so all of these were $1.72 each. Here's a little pink and blue and purple unicorn. Nothing Christmassy about it. Here's a little white unicorn Pegasus. Now, these guys were a little bit more expensive, so they were $5.98 half off, so for about $3. It's really big. It's going to really fill up a shoebox, and it has these sequins that you can flip up and down. Got a reindeer. This is a $1.72 reindeer. Got this penguin. Oh, I thought he was so cute. And he's got the sequins too, so he can be all silver or multicolored. And so yeah, he was just $3. I'm a teacher, and during December, we like wear Christmas shirts every day of the month. So I got myself a new Christmas shirt. So it was $6.98. So for $3.50, I have a new t-shirt to wear next year. Let's see. Here's another bag. Okay, so this hairbrush set was, I don't remember, I think not much. It has 2 hairbrushes and a mirror. Now the mirror you can't send in Operation Christmas Child, but I also sell Little Rose hair accessories, and I'm always needing handheld mirrors so people can see what the hair accessory looks like. And it does have some ponytail holders in here too. So dividing this up into all these different uses, it made it a really great deal. Okay, I teach multimedia. This wasn't on sale, but it was only $1. But I just thought it was so cute. So I got that for my classroom. All right, so moving on. Oh, I have another food item. I got this pack of teas, all these tins. So there are 20 teas in each tin. And I think it was around $6 in total for all of this. So I'm used to paying about $6 for maybe 1 tin of tea, maybe $3, maybe 2 tea tins. So I thought this was a really good deal to have some fun teas to drink. One bag left. These cups at my Walmart were 25 cents each. They only had the white and the green. They used to have red, but I ended up getting 16 of them. So that's 16 children who will have some cups. And I think the green ones would go great in a box, and the white ones would go great in a box, and there's nothing on them that says Christmas. So I might even cut out some vinyl and put some kind of cute picture that goes with whatever the theme is for their box. I found these tote bags that come with markers, and you color your own tote bag. And I thought that was really fun. I think these ended up being about $1.50. I found Christmas pencils, 12 pencils for 50 cents. So I decided to get a bunch of them. These are not necessarily the best and the easiest pencils to write with. I know that. But I always loved having the fun, cute pencils. I always thought it was so fun. So having these and some regular pencils, I think is really great. And so I just thought to myself, I'll spend about $4 on pencils. So I bought 8 packs. They had these little pack of silverware, and they're much heavier duty than disposable silverware. And so I thought these would be great to send in some of my cups. And notice, they're red, they're pink, and they're green. So I could send the green ones with the green cups. I could send the pink ones in the pink boxes. Maybe I'll do the plastic knife and the fork in the older kid box, and a spoon and a toddler box or something like that. So these were $1.50, and I got 2 of those. And then I did find one little popper fidget toy. I think it was $1, and not the best deal, but you know, still, if it was at the Dollar Tree, it would be $1.25. So you know, it was pretty good. And that's it. That's what I got today on December 26th at my local Walmart. Let me know in the comments if you've been out shopping and what kind of deals that you have found and where you found them at. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, toodles!